Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to know how to make chicken broth from scratch, then you definitely came to the right place. Every time I make homemade chicken broth, I tell myself I must make this more often because there's truly no comparison between a sad little can of store-bought broth and the real thing. This recipe has such a wonderfully homey, comforting, and rich depth of flavor that you can literally drink it hot without any additional flavors. So without further ado, let's get started. So here's the list of all the ingredients you're gonna need for this recipe. The first step is to take the chicken and wash it very well a couple of times under lukewarm water. Then let's take a large pot, fill it with 5 liters of water and place inside the chicken. Set the heat to high, cover with the lid while leaving some room for the vapor to escape and wait until it's just about to start to boil. So once it's about to start boiling, immediately set the heat to low, and after it simmers on low heat for a couple of minutes, you will see a buildup of white foam on top of the water. Take a large spoon and carefully collect it in some container and then discard it. The more you can collect this foam, the more chances the broth will turn out a clear golden color. Once you get most of it out, cover it again with the lid slightly off center again and keep simmering at low heat for a little while longer until more foam forms so that we can collect it one more time before we put all the veggies and spices. Looks like the water is clean, so let's add 2 medium or 3 small onions. One peeled celery root. 3 stems of fresh celery. 3 medium peeled carrots. 1 parsley root, 3 fresh garlic cloves, 5 bay leaves, about 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of Vegeta seasoning, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and of course last but not the least 1 tablespoon of salt. Now cover with the lid. Again, make sure the lid is slightly off center and simmer on low heat until the chicken is cooked through. The total time the chicken should be cooking is about 1 hour. So after 1 hour, the final step is to take about half a fresh bunch of green parsley and add it to the broth. Also, let's add 1 more fresh pressed garlic clove. Then completely cover it with the lid and turn off the heat. Now let it stay covered for about 15 minutes. Then take out the onions with parsley and throw it out. It's optional and up to you if you want to keep the rest of the veggies inside the broth. For garnish, you can use some fresh chopped dill and a little bit of parsley. Just look how incredible, clear, and saturated with flavor it looks. Absolutely gorgeous. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If so, then it would mean a lot to me if you can hit the like button to support this channel. And if you're looking for more healthy, delicious low-carb recipes, then you can subscribe to my channel because I have a ton of other recipes that I just can't wait to share with you. I wish you well and I'll see you very soon in the next episode. Bye!